I have an idea. And if it's done before, oh well.
Ba, ba, ba. Wah. Ba, 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 ba.
Yummy.
Oh.
I'm a thick queen.
Ba, ba, ba. Yay!
So I've gotten so bored to the point where I'm gonna color my hair using this little this marker. I'm gonna color the ends. Here's what I have so far. I mean, it really looks the same. I can tell a difference. It looks black. Thank God my mom doesn't watch my videos. I would get murdered. But hi, Dad! Love you, mean it the most! Now that I look at it outside of like that ponytail, you really can't tell much of a difference. I've decided I've wanted it more light black, so I'm coloring it like without outside of the ponytail and just yeeting the marker, so. I wonder how long this is gonna stay. Like, it's noticeable if you lift up my hair. It's not noticeable unless you point it out, which is kind of a banger. And this is before I'm rinsing it out. I just wet my hair after a few minutes of waiting, like letting it sit. Hopefully it stays. She's done, and she's kind of a banger. Like, you can tell like it's black and then brown. Great decision. Wow.
Ba, 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 ba. Wah. Ba. Wah. Ba. Ba. Ba.